what it do? Appreciate y'all watching another video. We got a lot of work to do today. We're gonna be hopping in the Benz and picking up tires for the vet. So hopefully these tires that I got will fit in this car. They should. There's a decent amount of trunk space, so I could probably put one in the trunk, fit the other one in the back seat, have some towels laid out, so hopefully they fit. But yeah, let's go pick up some tires and let me actually go show you guys something real quick. Turned my living room straight up into a shipping center. Have these tires. These are actually for the front of the vet. And then right now what we're gonna go pick up is the rear tires for the vet. And if you're asking about the boxes, it was a whole situation. I ordered the wrong tires. I had to send them back, but they wouldn't take them without a box. And these tires would fit in a box. The ones we got for the rears, I'll show you guys. They're actually a little bit smaller than the ones I had to return, but they would not fit in this box. I had to like cram them in there and wrap the whole thing up in tape. And I didn't even feel like filming that because that was such a process, dude. All right, just had to walk back into the garage real quick. I just wanted to show you guys that in my living room, what we're working with. We're gonna have 2 more tires coming in. I would keep them in my garage. I just have no more space. I have a full set of like wheels and tires that have been sitting here for the longest time actually. I actually want to get rid of these. If you guys are interested, I don't even know if I can show you guys fully. Shit, now I'm just dropping stuff. But yeah, these were wheels that were on my old BMW. If you guys don't know, I used to have a 440i. So these came off of there. The tires are pretty shot. I pretty much burned them out doing very illegal stuff on permitted grounds. But anyways, yeah, tires are shot. Wheels are in perfect condition. So if you guys have a BMW and you want wheels, I believe these are 19s. If I'm not wrong, they should be 19s. I can put them up later and show you guys if anyone's interested in buying BMW wheels. But I didn't get to film this. We actually put this part on. I'll show you guys right now because there's no point in holding off on it. But I do have something else here that needs to go on the vet that I still haven't gotten around to doing, but we'll get to it. We'll get to it eventually. Yeah, but for the vet, you guys told you it's gonna be focused towards the rear of the car. Yeah, it's very subtle. It's this little wicker bill right here. We just went ahead and threw that on. I think it just kind of completes the look of the car from the back. Like, it looks really cool, makes it look more aggressive. I'm trying to find like a good angle to show you guys. Yeah, that's a pretty good angle right there. Like, you can tell there's like that little glass piece right in the middle right there. I don't know. I think it makes it look really cool, makes it look a little bit more aggressive than the OEM. So yeah, no install video for that or anything, but it's on there. All right, let's hop in the Benz though. I don't want to waste any more time. We got a good amount of driving to do. I gotta go pick up these tires from Orange County. Hope they fit in this car and bring them back and throw them in the living room. And then we might be going to a meet tonight. I'm not too sure. We'll see. I'm actually leaving town this weekend. Today is Thursday, so tomorrow I'm gonna be heading out of town. So if I have time, we'll try to hit this car meet with some of the homies. If not, oh well. All right, had to run back inside real quick to grab these. Yeah, I'm a fiend. Brought 2 of them with me because honestly, these small cans, I feel like you at least need 2 to get through the day. Please don't listen to me. That's probably so bad for your health to be drinking more than 1 of these a day. But yeah, if you guys don't know, this is actually the new flavor, or at least I think it is. The pink can, I'm pretty sure it's the new flavor. It's pretty good. I actually like it. Yeah, so if Red Bull wants to sponsor me too, I'll take it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the car started. And we gotta head over to pick up these tires. I feel like I have enough room in the back of this car. Like, it's fairly spacious back there. I have some like towels laid out just so my seats don't get super dirty. So maybe 1 tire back there, and then we could fit 1 in the trunk 100%. If we're lucky, we might be able to fit both in the trunk. Boom. 1 tire in the back, and second one sitting nice and pretty on the back seat. I knew we'd be able to get both of them in here. Let me tuck that in before it gets caught in the door. Got the tires all set up. I'm actually so glad that everything fit in here, bro. I don't have to make like 2 trips. I was almost able to fit both in the trunk, but I think this is a lot better. That one's nice and secure back there. I might actually just lean it up a little sideways just so it doesn't fly around while we're on the freeway. Let's go drop these tires back off at home And we'll see about that meet tonight. I don't even know if I'm bringing this car or the vet. This shit is mad dirty. Like, I don't know if you guys can even see that on the glass. There's a bunch of like little specks and spots, and it's filthy from the outside, dude. I've been driving this thing in the rain. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow too, so I don't even feel like I want to go wash this car right now. So we might just end up taking out the vet. All right, made it back home. Young vet in the back. Gotta get these tires out of here now. Oh, let's see if all that gym paid off. Oh, that was easy. Yeah, they're not that heavy, but good old tires. Kind of want to see if we could do like a little test fit with it next to the car just to get like a visual. More or less, you can see what it's going to look like on the car. I actually have a 345 on there right now. This is a 325, so it's a little bit smaller in terms of width, but it's a 35 and this is a 30, so it's going to be a little bit taller, and this is an 18, so it's going to be a little bit smaller on the wheel. These are 19, so once we put the new wheels on and the new tires on, hopefully it'll sit fairly flush with it. It's kind of a shitty angle, but I feel like you guys get the picture of how that's going to look once it's on. Alright, let's go ahead and get this other one out. Oh, I'm trying not to get my seats dirty. Boom. Not a problem at all. But yeah, these are the rear set of tires for the vet. Alright, I just wanted to come back in the living room and show you guys the tire tower. Yeah, we got the rears, 2 sets of Mickey Thompsons, then 2 sets of R888s for the front. This is going to be dope on the new wheels. It's going to look really nice. Hopefully with the Mickey Thompsons in the back after we make more power, which I haven't mentioned to you guys about what's going on with the vet, but I'll tell you that later. Hopefully these tires are going to be good for hooking and booking. Also, shout out to my boy Toby at Coast Wheels and Tires. He came through. He was able to hook it up with these Mickey Thompsons the last minute, dude. So if you guys don't know, I explained a little bit earlier, I ordered the wrong size, not by accident. I got the 305 45s, hoping that they would clear the fender on the vet, but they were way too tall, and that just wasn't going to work. Shipped them out. I called so many different places to see who had these ET3 Rs in stock. Nobody has them. Like all throughout OC, LA, IE, nobody has them. Everyone's like they would take a week to get here at least. And I'm super impatient. I don't know about you guys. I kind of like getting my stuff the same day that I want it. So luckily, my boy Rami talked to them. He's the one with the E63. He talked to them, and they got back to me. They had these in stock, gave them to me at a great price, so I went and picked them up today. And I feel like they're going to be great on the car. All right, so we're already running late for this meet, but I'm the idiot that's going to wash his car probably the day before it rains. I don't know, man. It's just like I hate going to meets with a dirty car. Like, look at all that, bro. It's disgusting. It's been raining all week here in SoCal, so it's like, oh man, it's all like water spots and everything. I'm running late though, so all I'm gonna do is rinse it down, and then yeah, we're just gonna air dry it on the freeway. Got her all nice and rinsed up. This thing was so dirty before I came in here, bro. I'm hoping that with the legal speeds that we're going on the freeway, this thing dries off completely, because that would suck if it left with more water spots than it came in with. But yeah, let's go ahead and start heading over. We're already late, so we're gonna have to make up some time.
Look at this NPC.
Walking. Stop.
What is he gonna do? Oh shit.
Alrighty. Thought I'd get some night driving POV. Hopefully picks up well. It is a little dark, but yeah, linked up with the boys. Heading over now. Gonna hop on the freeway. And before anyone gets mad at me for not using the paddles, I don't really care to use the paddles in this car. This will be a lot cooler cooler if this car had an exhaust on it. I feel like exhausts and like sounds make the POV drive, or else you're just watching like an Uber dash cam and it's somewhat boring. It sounds absolutely fucking nuts. Sounded fucking nuts, dog. Parked up all the Benzes? Dude, this thing sounds fucking ridiculous, man. Like, I have it on my GoPro, this shit shot like a nice little flame. I'm having so much buyer's remorse of not getting one of these. This too, always clean, man. His car always sounds nice. Like, the little pops and bangs. Yo, run me my wheels. Where are my wheels, bro?
Took them, bro. Mine.
Hey, you could keep those, bro. I just want these now. I'll trade you. This dude had some crazy fucking pops. I don't know if he's gonna do it again. Jesus Christ. And they've shut it down. It's 5-0.
That's the son of the police.
They're not happy.
E63.
Dude, yeah.
Dude, the E63's cooked.
Oh, yeah. He's right behind him. That's mad unfortunate. Yeah, man. Sucks for this guy. I don't even think he was doing anything. Oh, they're shutting this shit down. Yeah, they do not want us here. Unfortunate. This thing looks so nice in yellow. Uh-oh. Is he gonna get him? No, he went the other way. I think straight up looks like the Batmobile, dude. Check out this guy. It's a disco ball on wheels, man. That is nuts. People be throwing the craziest raps on their cars. We're pretty much finishing up here. Meets got shut down, per usual. California car meets. I don't know what this guy's doing, bro. Curious, though. Anyways, yeah, so the meets got shut down. California car meets, you know how they go. Got all the Benzes parked up, though. Oh, yeah. This is the one I was talking about, though. This is what could have been. This is actually the car I was gonna go check out. He bought it from the same place that I bought my Vet from, so I saw they had it on sale. I was gonna go check it out, but yeah, apparently it needed a lot of work, so maybe it worked out in my favor that we didn't get this. Still, sick car, bro, and it sounds amazing. Anyways, appreciate y'all watching the video. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
Another day, I wake up, find my purpose, what's my worth? Sun is out, but you still cloudy, wipe them tears up off your shirt. Could be worse, so I put in work. All this pain, gotta put it in my verse. Marijuana straight, help put it in reverse. Since I was a baby, felt like I was cursed.